Listen up. There's a situation unfolding. Two detectives from Criminal Investigations Unit arrived this morning at the Los Suenos Postal Service on 7th Avenue in East Los Suenos. Their goal was to have a conversation with a customs inspector named Jack Adams. From what we could tell, they became engaged in a firefight on Side 1, the reception area. Our information at this time is pretty spotty, but it seems like the shooter was a part of the Los Locos, who have been seen in the area previously. It's unsure at this time whether or not the gunfight was connected to what the detectives were investigating, or if it was a random coincidence, but we're certain that there's more than one shooter in the building. This has been corroborated by a phone call to 911 that we received around the same time as the gunfight occurred. Both detectives have left the scene. One is in critical condition, heading to Yano Memorial, so it's just going to be us going in there. Priority is to find the shooter and his buddies and collect Jack Adams, who is likely still within the structure. We've got to hustle, so I'll keep this quick. The postal facility is big. It has 3 sides for entry. We've got Side 1 with the reception entrance and warehouse entrance to the east. Side 2 with a loading bay access point, and Side 3 with more loading bays. These ones are for bigger trucks, so you may want to be mindful for the height difference there is if any shooters poke their fucking heads out. They might be able to see right over your cover. Your best bet is going to be that main entrance. It leads right into the center of the building, and we can get good domination that way. There's an internal structure within the facility on a 2nd level as well. We don't have any intel on the design of this. It looks like a temporary part of the building. I've also had word from our contact at FISA that they want Adams alive and well. As far as we know, he's not a threat, and I can tell you now that if one of you kills a Fed on my watch, you'll be bagging and tagging evidence down in the lockers for the rest of your time with the LSPD. All right. Last part. Rally is on 7th and Laybourne, right near where the freeway begins. We've got additional units blocking off the overpass, and the sniper team is en route, but they're across the city and it's going to take some time. Let's hustle.
Behind you.
I want you to get
Talk to entry team. Suspects have a foothold in this area and they're refusing to cooperate. Entry team, you are go to move and clear.
Get the door and move in.
Knowledge.
Walk with me.
Ready to knock.
Police, hands up!
Okay, okay.
Lights
Turn
stick
around.
out.
I have to cuff you for our safety.
Can't even go out in public anymore. Not
Leave the
safe
talk.
anywhere.
Civilian in custody and secured.
Element,
I got
this
nothing
is talk.
On my
Send them.
6.
On you.
Split the door.
Roger.
Tell me right now. Am I gonna live?
It's open. We're good to go.
Check it with the wand.
All right. Got the wand. Got some opening. It's good. Suspect with a weapon.
Ran the door. Deploy flashbangs.
Taking it down. Over your head! Police, get down! Moving!
An opening on the right.
Hands up!
Let's do it over here, boss.
Securing. Put your hands up
In
now!
here.
Police, don't move!
Suspect secure.
Talk to element. Sailors notified.
Drop the weapon! Police, hands on your head! Drop the weapon and put the... Get down now! Police, don't move! Get down on the ground now! Hands up! Drop to your knees! You need to relax. Tom, we got a suspect here ready for escort.
Talk here. Trailer's en route.
Deploying chemlight. Split the stack and provide cover.
To me, huh? Fuck! I can't go to fucking
Wanted.
jail.
Done. I got the wand. More than one opening. Negative on any device.
man.
No contacts.
Open the door, clear it.
Confirmed.
Breaching.
Opening on the left.
Put your hands up.
Moving into handcuffs. Civilian ready to go.
Civilian is good to go. Compliant.
This is Talk. Beauty. Keep them coming.
You fuck!
Hands up, asshole! Now!
I'm not going to fucking jail.
The show stayed on today.
Fall in.
Now you're six.
Split and cover.
Getting into place.
You don't even know I am here.
Trust dude. Or I'll walk away.
Mirror it.
Roger. Mirror ready. Got multiple openings here. Looking
From
good.
your gun. For what?
You ain't safe.
Got an armed suspect.
That.
I want to see two in a flash. Clear it.
Swap with me.
Tight. I won't do nothing.
Charge ready. Let's blow it. I'll do it. Opening on the right and opening up ahead.
LSPD, hands up. Run. Hands up and get on the ground. Hands up. Get down. Fire. LSPD, don't move. LSPD. Police. Get down now. Get down and don't move. Drop your hands. Slowly, get down on the ground.
Dock to element. Stabilize them and we'll send EMTs.
Turn around. Keep your hands up.
Evidence secured.
Made a mistake, please.
Talk. Suspect in custody.
No shit.
Entry team, this is Talk. Trailers are ready.
Provide support on me.
Right with you.
Get down. Get the fuck out of my way.
Okay.
Police, LSPD, don't go away. This is my bus. I got it.
Police, hands up! Hands up now! Get down now!
I don't know what you're doing. LSPD, hands up.
Hands up!
Listen, I want of you. Don't run.
LSPD, don't move!
I'm out. On your side, you dumb son of a
Hands up! Do it now!
Giving you one chance to walk away.
Hands up! Do it now!
Relations, you assholes.
Down on the ground! Move! Police, get down! Police, down on the ground! Hands up! Put your hands down! Down on the ground! Now! Get down!
Police, this is
I
Talk.
want to see those
Send
hands!
them our way.
Police, get down! Get on the ground! Now!
Listen, I want of you. Raise your hands up.
Hands up above your head!
Police, I'm on your side, you dumb son of a bitch. Walk away. Shit. Hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Police, get down. Get on the ground. I want you to get down. Don't move. Police,
Hands up!
Open it and clear the flash.
LSPD, don't move!
Get down! I want to see hands!
Don't run! Drop your weapon! Don't move! I'm on your side, you dumb son of a bitch! Hands down! Slowly! Chance to walk away! Put your hands right! You asshole! Get down and put your hands up! Hands up! Get down and put your hands up! Get down now!
Going in a cuff. Zipped up. Good to go.
Put it back.
Got bag. Tim light out.
Fall in.
You got point.
Split the stack and provide
Copy.
cover.
Unlock.
Open. Bang and clear.
Doing it. Banging.
I'm going.
Nothing here, sir.
On me.
On you.
LSPD,
Get down on your knees. Put your hands up. Hands up now.
Police, get down!
Put your hands up.
I want you to get down slowly!
Start reporting. Dag.
Son of a dumb son of a bitch!
get down. Move it.
One chance to walk away.
Get down.
Better relations, you assholes! Cut the fucking shit!
Hands up. Put your hands up
Get
now.
the fuck out of my way!
Police, get down.
Down on your goddamn hands on your head. Keep your hands up. Hands on your head. Down on your knees.
Police,
Listen, I want of you! Drop your weapon! Police! I'm on your side, you dumb
Down
son
on
of
your
a
hands on your head. Move. Hands on your head. Now get down. I want to see hands.
Better relations, you assholes! Cut the fucking shit!
put your hands up.
Hands up now! Get the fuck out of my way!
Police, get down.
No way! This is my bust!
I want you to get down
You don't know what you're doing!
No, police, hands up.
Fuck you!
LSPD, hands up.
Listen, I want of you!
Stay on your head.
Drop your weapon. Put your hands up and get down. Don't move.
Son of a bitch!
Your hands up now.
Get down! One chance to walk away!
Hands in the air.
Better relations, you assholes!
LSPD, hands up. Get down. Put your hands up.
Ram the door. Clear the flash.
LSPD, get down and don't move. Police, get down. Hands up.
Switch with me. Breaking flash.
I have nothing to do with it.
Let me go! I won't join no gang or nothing!
Turn around. Don't get up. Element to talk. Civilian cuffed and prepped for evac. On me. Move.
You got point.
Hands up!
LSPD, don't move.
I want you to get down slowly!
Got him.
My bust! LSPD, don't
Got him.
move!
Put your hands up.
Secured.
Get down on your knees.
Dock
Hands
to
up.
entry team. Proceed with mission.
Put your fucking hands up. Police, get your hands up.
LSPD, don't move! Raise your hands above your head! Listen, I want of you! No, you won't!
LSPD, don't move. Police, don't move. Hands in the air.
Police, get down.
Don't run or risk for anything.
Drop your weapons. Hands up. Drop the weapon. Get on the fucking ground. Do it now.
Show me your
Provide
hands.
support.
Contact is down.
Down and need medical attention.
Entry team.
LSPD, down.
Clean out. We'll take them out.
Drop it and put your hands up. Put your hands where I can see them.
Drop to your knees! Police, hands up! Hands up now! Drop to your knees!
Secured. Evidence good to go. Suspect detained.
What are you doing?
Civilian is secured.
Talk reporting. Trailers en route.
Stop threatening me. We got my brother.
Get down now! Hands up! LSPD, don't move!
I didn't do anything.
Hands
all right?
up! Do it now! Stay down and turn around.
I swear to God, I'm not with them.
Lead, talk. Civilian, good to go.
Talk to lead. Trailers inbound.
I'm not the bad guy.
Hands up! Do it now!
I don't mean any disrespect.
I'll get him ready. I have to do this.
Don't shoot!
Civilian is cuffed and good to go.
to talk. Civilian, good to go.
This is Talk. We're ready for him.
Shit!
Drop it and get down! Entry team to talk. One suspect is down and alive.
Talk here. Notifying Thames.
Split and provide cover on this
Roger.
door.
Unlocked.
Open it. Toss a flashbang.
Acknowledge.
Flashing.
Moving.
Opening on the left. Wait, right side.
They're down.
Good here.
Dropping a light. Searching. Switch with me.
Let's go. Police, hands in the air.
I got cuffs. Suspect evidence good to go.
No contact. It's okay. You were at the wrong place at the wrong time. It happens. One restraint, compliant.
Provide support on me.
I'm with you.
I'm not part of no gang or nothing. Listen to me.
Back the fuck up.
Post up and cover.
That's not one.
Drop the weapon! Head!
Damn it.
Stay forward, stay forward.
C2, flashbang and clear. Leave the talk. Suspect is bleeding out. Needs medical aid.
Element, this is Talk. Medical assistance is standing by.
Opening on the left.
Nothing here, sir.
Take these off.
Chimley. boss. I got nothing here.
Fall in behind me.
Got your back.
Suspect down, alive.
Leads, this is Talk. EMTs and trailers are standing by.
Get down! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Get down! Put your hands up now! Arms out!
Down on the ground! Move! Police, get down! Police, down on the ground! Hands up, above your head!
Listen, I
Put your
want
hands
you.
down! Down on the ground, now! Get down! Let me see those hands! Police, get down!
One chance.
Get on the
Get out of the
ground!
way.
Hands up above your head! Get down! I want to see you! Get down on your knees! Put your hands up!
Fucking shit.
LSPD!
Fuck out of my way.
LSPD! Hands up!
No way. This is my bus.
Use less lethal!
You don't know what you're doing.
Hands up! Police!
Fuck
Hands
you.
up! Hands up!
Listen, I'm one of you. Drop your weapon. I'm on your side, you dumb son of a bitch.
Hands up, now! Get down! Keep your head down on your goddamn knees, now!
Agent, you asshole.
Hands on your head, do it now!
Fucking shit. Get the fuck out of my way.
LSPD! Don't go! Get down! Put your hands up! Hands up! Don't move!
On my six.
Listen, I'm one of you.
Don't move! Hands up!
Drop your weapon.
LSPD!
I'm on your side, you dumb son of a bitch.
Raise your hands above your head!
Giving you
Search the room for
Get
contacts.
away.
Don't move!
Federal agent, you asshole.
Show me your hands now!
Cut the fucking shit.
Enter the room and clear.
Get the fuck out of my way. No way. This is my bus.
Police! Hands up!
I don't know what you're doing.
Hands up!
Fuck
Police!
you.
Get down!
Opening on the right.
Keep your hands up! Hands on your head!
LSPD!
Chem light out.
Down on your knees!
Drop your weapon. I'm on your side, you dumb son of a bitch.
Let me make a call. My boss will clear this up.
Giving you one chance.
Talk. Suspect is incapacitated. Talk to entry team. Make them stable and proceed with mission. Gentlemen, this is Talk. Situation is under control.